दुश्मन की गोलियों का सामना हम करेंगे। हम आज़ाद थे, आज़ाद हैं और आज़ाद ही रहेंगे। This was said by a great freedom fighter, Chandrasekhar Azad. Pranam to the respected teachers and a very good afternoon to all the divine souls listening to me. This is Sushri Ankita Raj standing before you, feeling highly privileged to be able to put a few words on such an auspicious day, our motherland, India's Independence Day. 74 years ago, on the midnight of 15th August 1947, our country India got its freedom from those whites. It was possible only because of those hardships, sacrifices and struggles made by our ancestors. After 200 years of fighting, initially by the kings and queens like Tipu Sultan, Rani Lakshmi Bai, and later by the great freedom fighters like M.K. Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Jawaharlal Nehru and many more, our Sone Ki Chidiya was set free from the cage of those Britishers. Firstly, why were we all dominated by those Britishers? It was only because we Indians hadn't had unity among us. We celebrate Independence Day not because it is a national holiday, but we celebrate our Independence Day because we do not want that history will repeat itself. We celebrate our Independence Day not to forget the sacrifices made by the freedom fighters while fighting for the freedom of our country, and those who are still fighting at the border so that we can sleep well at night. After Independence Day, Jawaharlal Nehru was elected as the first Prime Minister of our country. And he was the first one to unfurl our national flag, Tiranga, at the Red Fort in the national capital, New Delhi, for the first time. Our Bharat is a nation of unity among diversity, a nation of great culture and heritage, the birthplace of many worldwide known great personalities and the home of many legends. But despite of having all these, we are still regarded as a developing nation instead of a fully developed nation. This is because of the increasing crimes, corruption, spreading of diseases, and many other reasons. Talking about now, we not only we Indians but the whole world is facing a terrible disease called COVID-19. This has affected our India socially and economically too. Many people are dying, many people have died and many are still dying. Doctors, police officers and corona warriors are working day and night to lessen the impact on our country and to help us to stay safely at our home. We civilians should also follow the government guidelines so that our nation can overcome from this. Our nation can overcome from this pandemic. Lastly, I would like to end my speech with a small quotation. हमारा तिरंगा इसलिए ऊंचा नहीं लहराता क्योंकि हवा चलती है, पर इसलिए लहराता है क्योंकि जो सैनिक हमारे देश के लिए शहीद हुए हैं वो अपनी जान इस पे फूंक के गए हैं. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.